Okay, here we are today with Rick Rowe from Real Time Pain Relief. And what I wanted to ask you, Rick, was my daughter does a lot of running. She runs half marathons, 5Ks, 10Ks, constantly out there running. And one of her problems is that at the end of the race, a lot of times she gets cramps in her calves. So would something like this be helpful for someone who likes to run and gets cramps on a regular, or just anybody that gets a cramp, in their legs or their arm or any other place?
This is a great product for cramps, both before she gets the cramps and after she gets the cramps.
Oh, I never even thought of that. So maybe before the race she could apply some of this.
Before the race, you can apply what's called Active,
Yep.
which a lot of golfers use.
Okay.
A lot of runners, quite a few runners use it.
Yep. Yeah, so that makes sense. So,
It'll keep that muscle fresh throughout the race, basically.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll definitely recommend that she tries it out before her next race.
Okay.
And I know that you're giving away a couple free samples, right?
Yeah, if you go to takeawaypainnow.com today,
Yep.
I'll mail you 2 free samples of this. She can try it out.
That's awesome. So all those runners out there and everybody else should.
It's very effective for runners.
Yeah.
Anybody who's active on a daily basis like that.
What's that
Kind
one?
of preventative maintenance is what it is.
Yeah. Right. Which is, can help a lot of these runners because they wait until the problem starts and then they put this stuff on.
Exactly.
So what's that website again?
It's takeawaypainnow.com, and I'll send you 2 free samples in the mail.
All right. Awesome. Thank you.